Hello, this is Farm Model Maniac here. Welcome to On the Farm. So today, on the farm, our vehicles and tools are parked here. Round feeders. We have the 3 and 8 bit division dung, starting up here now. Fiat parked out here in the yard. Lights parked up. The piece is covered tires on it. So wait for that to ferment. Should be fermented soon, so we'll just head around the other side of this. So here we have the McCormick and the dye feeder, because we're starting, feeding now soon, because we're bringing in all our animals. So we have the Manitou parked up. So yeah, that's it, lads, and thanks for watching, and please leave a like, comment and subscribe.